How to use Walmart pharmacy services. You can use Walmart's pharmacy services online or through the Walmart app by creating an account to manage prescriptions, request refills, and arrange for the pickup delivery as well. So basically, what you want to do is open the Walmart app and log into your account. After which, you want to then navigate to the services from this section at the bottom. Select pharmacies. As you click on pharmacy, then you could go ahead, or you'll need to verify your identity by providing your personal details, information, and creating a 4-digit PIN. You may also have to answer security questions or verify your identity via a code sent to your phone. And once done, you could go ahead and use it to manage prescriptions, refill a prescription, or transfer prescriptions, or maybe add family member as well. And that's how you could use Walmart pharmacy services. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.